Hi, this is Miss Robertson. We're going to be looking at some of the skills that you need before you start doing Pythagoras. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to stop the video and look on your calculator for a button that might look like that, or it might look like that, or it might look like that, or it might even look like that. But the most common one that we see now is that one and that one there. Okay, so we're looking for just one of those. Okay, so stop the recording and look for that. Okay, once you know where that is, you can now start to work some of these out. So when we're doing the first one, 16 squared, okay, what you need to do is you need to press 16, and then for me, I then press the x squared button. Okay, and that gives me the answer 16 squared, 256. Okay, now pause the video and carry on working those out. I'll do one more actually. 22 squared. So you're going to type in 22 and then press your button. Okay, you don't need to write down the bit in blue. All you need to write down is the bits I'm doing in yellow today. I don't know why I'm using yellow, but never mind. 22 squared, 484. Okay, so let's say stop the video and work out those answers. And these are the answers for the previous slide. So if you want to stop the recording again whilst you check your answers. Okay, so this slide here, we're gearing up towards being able to use our calculator for Pythagoras type calculations. So part A here, we've got 3 squared plus 4 squared. So again, I'm just going to choose a different colour to show you what you maybe need to type in. 3, and then your x squared button, and then plus, and then your x squared button. Okay, so that's the kind of thing you would be typing in there. So I'm just going to do that now. 3 squared plus 4 squared. And I get 25 for that one there. Okay, so next one, again, same idea. 7 squared plus 6 squared. So I would be doing 7 and then press my x squared button plus 6 and press my x squared button there. Okay, so 7 squared plus 6 squared makes 85. Okay, pause the video whilst we finish those ones off. Okay, and here are the answers for the last slide. So again, pause the video whilst you check your answers. Okay, for these ones here, you need to find what we call the square root button. Okay, so this up here that I'm highlighting green now, okay, we call that the square root. On the last screen we were doing squaring. The square root is the opposite of doing squaring. Okay, so square root of 64, easy enough. Type it into your calculator, press the square root button and then 64. So all you need to make sure of is that you know where to find that button on your calculator. It's normally right next to the x squared button that you've just been using in the last few slides. Okay, so if you pause now, okay, if you pause now and finish those ones off. Okay, and these are your answers. So pause the video and check your work. Okay, these next ones, we're going to have to round some of these answers. I'm going to round them to 1 decimal place. So if we type in the square root of 14, we get 3.74. Okay, I'm writing it down with 2 decimal places, straight from the calculator, no rounding yet. And then you need to think, do we round up or down for a 4? less than 5, we round down, so just take it off. 3.7 is our answer for that one there. Okay, the square root of 19 again, you need to type it in. 4.35 and some other things. Okay, so we've got a 5 there. 5 or more we round up, so 4.3 becomes 4.4 when we round that up. Okay, see. .08. Okay, do we round up or down for an 8? We round up for an 8, so that becomes 6.1. Okay, so pause the video at this point and work out the rest of the answers. Okay, and these are your answers. So pop it on pause again whilst you check your work.